Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you the Dandy Garden 6x6 Designer Series paper stack. This is in the new Stampin' Up! January to June 2021 catalog, and this is actually in the Dandy Garden suite. So there are coordinating stamps, die cuts, ribbon, and so much more to go with this Designer Series paper stack. There are a total of 48 sheets, 4 each of 12 double-sided designs. So you can see there are 6 here, as well as 6 here for you to be able to see. They all have that very earthy tone with dragonflies, bumblebees, dandelions, and patterns like that. The colors that are included are basic black, Blackberry Bliss, Bumblebee, Calypso Coral, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, and Whisper White. I'm going to go through each sheet so that you can see the full pattern rather than the little swatch that's in the catalog. Let me know which one your favorite one is, and I'll let you know which one mine is at the end. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite one? I am super loving these corals. So I really like the bumblebees, but I really like this coral and this other coral one here. Of course, don't forget that there is a dragonfly punch that actually will punch out these images on that sheet. So that is super fun too. And I can't wait to use that on a project because it's already colored for a quick and simple look. So that's super, super fun. Don't forget to check out my complete playlist of the Celebration and January to June mini catalog, Designer Series paper reveals. I'll leave a link for that at the end. Of course, you can also check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, and see lots of inspiration and goodies with this new product. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Happy stamping!